How to disable Instagram story comments. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to turn off or disable Instagram story comments. Do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So if you don't waste anyone to add the comments on your added story of Instagram, you can simply do it by following the steps one by one. Firstly, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you have added any story on your Instagram. And then you need to tap on your story at the top left corner to access your story. Now on the space to turn off story comments of your Instagram, tap more button at bottom right corner. And a menu box appear where at the bottom you will be able to find out turn off commenting options. So tap on turn off commenting. Now comments have been turned off for this particular story, but if you add any other story again on your Instagram, they will easily start commenting on your other added Instagram story. So in order to disable or turn off story comments all at once by one click, you need to tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, you need to come to this profile feed and select the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and then locate the option for comments, which is under how others can interact with you. And here you can easily see for the stories under who can comment, tap on it. Now here under controls, tap on off button. And here you can also block comments from specific peoples as per your wish. Now when you have tap on the off button, no one will be able to add comments on your Instagram story. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.